If you're a beginner freelance digital marketer, I am 100% sure you might be feeling stuck, confused, or overwhelmed by seeing a lot of videos out there on the internet today, right? So I'm going to explain a 7-step a framework which is the most important thing to 10x your career inside freelancing. I'll give you exact blueprint in this video. Remember, I'm going to share a important 1-2 minutes of value, which I call it as like magic time, where I'm gonna explain the top 80% of freelancers, what mistake they are doing and how you can avoid them inside this video. So let's get started. By the way, my name is Virender Chaudhary and I am the founder and CEO Trader School, which is #1 business school for freelancing, where you can learn, earn, and scale as a freelancer. Let's get into the topic. The first framework topic is the niche. Pick a high demanding niche inside digital marketing. Please don't go broad like stating I am a digital marketer. Especially if you are new to digital marketing freelancing, you need to pick one high demanding niche. Okay. So high demanding niche inside digital marketing: content creation, okay, content marketing, performance marketing, email marketing, copywriting, web development, exclusively landing page building. So these are the high demanding digital marketing skills which you can pick one and master. How you need to pick a niche? It's very simple. All right. So your passion. First, whether do you have a passion, whatever the niche you have selected. Second, market demand. See, if you have passion, you've selected a niche. What if there is no demand for market in the market? Then obviously it will not work. And the third, which is most important, profitability. How much profits you are going to make in that niche. Okay. Let's get to the second step, which is mastering one core skill, right? Instead of mastering all. Now let us imagine you picked content creation as your niche. So go deep and work towards mastering one skill, either scripting content or shooting content or editing content. If you can dive even more deeper, you can select industries as well. All right. Example: Hi, my name is Virender Chaudhary. I help restaurants to go from 0 to 100K on Instagram within 6 months using my content funnel. See how specific it is. So go deep and choose one core skill and one industry which can give you more profits. All right. So now you might be confused like, Viru, okay, I've selected a niche, I've mastered one skill, what's next? So let's go to the step 3. Step 3 is building portfolio, which is the most important thing. If you do not showcase your talent, your work, your skills, ultimately you'll end up getting 0 clients. So build a killer portfolio. You can use tools like WordPress, Elementor. You can create some wonderful portfolio inside that. And there is a lot of YouTube videos, tutorials available on how to build a portfolio. Or inside Trader School, you can also get those lectures where you can build for free. Remember, Trader School is a community of freelancers where you can join for free if you want. I can give you the link in the description. And also, if you're new and want to learn a skill, especially in digital marketing, so we have a 30-day live digital marketing program priced at only 2,999 for a limited period offer. So click on the link below, which is given in the description, and you can start your career. Okay, let's get into the fourth topic. Once you build a killer portfolio, now everybody wants one thing. What is that? Which is client. Where I have a portfolio, I've selected a niche, I mastered a skill, now how to get a client. I highly recommend to every freelancer out there not to go with Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer sites because it's already crowded. So don't compete in a crowded market. Instead, create a funnel where clients will come to you and inquire about your services. Instead, you chasing them, clients will chase you. Later in this video, I'll also tell you how they will come to you. Now, let me come to a magic point, okay, where I call it as like magic time, where I will provide you 100x value inside this. 80% of freelancers struggle because they are 100% investing their time in finding clients. That's absolutely wrong. Instead, what you need to do is like build authority. You're getting my point. Build a solid funnel, build a personal brand where clients will automatically come to you instead of you reaching them, investing 100% time there. You invest that time on yourself, building authority, building personal brand, building content on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, where people will understand this guy is the one which I am looking for, and the client will automatically come for you. Don't chase clients, create a funnel where clients will chase you. That's the most and the important thing. I hope you liked it. Okay. And let's come to step 5, which is create a simple funnel where clients will come to you. Let me tell you a simple funnel. Okay. Now we've selected a niche and we've mastered a skill, and also we've selected an industry. 3 things. Okay. What you need to do is like, if I am in your place, I will shoot a ad like this. Are you a restaurant owner struggling to grow on Instagram? By the way, my name is Virender. Let me help you go from 0 to 100K on Instagram within 6 months. Because I have a 6-step framework where it will go from 0 to 100K by using the 6 steps framework. Are you interested? Click on the link below, go to the other side and watch the video. I will create a simple video explaining the 6-step framework to grow on YouTube, okay, or on Instagram for that particular restaurant brand. You can use Chatgpt for building that 6-step framework. What you need to do is like go to Chatgpt. Hey, my name is Virender. I've got a client XYZ which he's into or she's into restaurant business. I help them to grow from 0 to 100K on Instagram using 6-step framework. Can you please help me to build that 6-step framework? Boom, ChatGPT will give you, and you can talk same with confidence inside the video. Once the client watches that video, ask them, do you want me to work for your brand? Book a consultation call with me below. So people will book a consultation call, and you created a simple funnel where client will come to you instead you chasing them. You're getting my point. Now let's come to step 6, which is automating your business. Okay. For every repetitive task, simple task, you need to find other freelancers where they can help you to save your time. Because as a freelancer, your time is limited. Max, you can work for 10 hours, 12 hours, or 14 hours. But what if you want to increase your revenue? Then you should have more time. You should automate your freelance works to other freelancers, which I call it as like automation and scale. Okay, that's the most important thing. Let's come to the final step, which is building portfolio. Okay, building personal brand, which is the most important thing. Because these days, if you observe, all the founders creating content on social media. So if you want to establish your legacy inside that particular niche or skill, whatever you have chosen, you need to build your personal brand. Okay. So your personal brand will speak how confident you are. Let us imagine if you go and search me on Instagram or YouTube, I have almost 450K followers on Instagram. Combinedly on social media, 280K on Instagram and 164 on YouTube. Right. So now what will happen is, If you're creating content inside freelancing and explaining topic about freelancing, especially I'm talking about me, then people will see me as somebody who's teaching inside freelancing. In later, if I offer any paid programs also, they're most likely to invest. In the same way, you should build your personal brand by creating valuable content. Okay. And once you build your personal brand, you should not, and there is no problem for you to look back and see whether I'm getting clients or not. Client will be in a queue. So this is what all about this video. I hope you like this. Please like it and share it with videos, and comment down on what topics you want me to create next videos on, especially on freelancing. I'm going to help you out in creating those videos, and I'm trying to help you out. See you inside with the next video. I hope you like this. So support me. If you like this video, like it and share it and subscribe to my channel, because it will give me a boost and motivation to teach more and create more such type of content. Thank you.